In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from a picture in Google Slides, specifically focusing on those with a plain white background. Whether you're crafting a presentation or just want a cleaner look for your images, this method is efficient and, best of all, free. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to insert your photo into Google Slides. Ideally, you want this picture to have a plain white background to keep things simple and ensure the best results with the removal process. Google Slides offers an intuitive interface for inserting images. Simply click on Insert, then Image, and choose how you want to upload your picture, whether from your computer, Google Drive, or by URL. Once your image is in place, the next step is to navigate to a handy and free resource online called remove.bg. This website is a lifesaver, as it automatically removes backgrounds from images with impressive accuracy, including those solid white ones that can often be tricky. You'll need to open up your web browser and head to the remove.bg site. The simplicity here is key. There are no extra frills or unnecessary steps to worry about. After pulling up the website, it's time to upload your picture. Drag and drop your image file directly into the designated area on the site, or click the Upload Image button to find your file manually. Within just a few seconds, the site works its magic. Your photo reappears with the white background completely gone, leaving you with a neat and clear subject. With the background removed, you'll want to save this new version of your image. Simply click the Download button presented on the page, making sure to save your image as a PNG file. This format is crucial because it maintains a transparent background, allowing you to seamlessly integrate the image into your Google Slides presentation without any colored borders. Now that you've successfully downloaded the updated image, return to your Google Slides presentation. Insert this new version, just like you did the first time, by going to Insert, then Image. Place it wherever it complements your slide the best. You'll notice the difference immediately, no more pesky white background, and there you have it. You've managed to transform a simple picture into a polished visual that's ready to wow your audience. This method makes it remarkably easy to remove white backgrounds from pictures in Google Slides, all while keeping the process quick, clean, and completely free of charge. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just learning the ropes, mastering this skill is a valuable addition to your toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy slide creating.